Hello friends, welcome to our channel Dan and Thakkar Law Network. I am Advocate Karan Thakkar, Civil and Criminal Law Practitioner, and we are here for providing you legal updates, legal knowledge. So our today's topic is some basic definitions under law. Before studying CRPC or IPC and Criminal Procedure Code or Indian Penal Code, we should know some basic definition. Then it's easy to understand the provision of CRPC and IPC and to understand the statute of CRPC or IPC. As per my opinion or as per my observation, before studying CRPC or IPC, we have to see the schedule which mentioned in CRPC. That means the first schedule. दोनों ही स्टैट्यूट पढ़ने के पहले एक बार फर्स्ट शेड्यूल को देख लीजिए. You don't need to go through it or anything else. Just have a look of the schedule. Then it's easy to understand the provision of the statute of CRPC and IPC. So we will discuss about some definitions like bailable offences, non-bailable offences, cognizable offences, non-cognizable offences, warrant cases, summons cases, etc. and the differences among them. So let's begin with the bailable offences and non-bailable offences. So section 2A of CRPC deals with the definition of bailable offence and non-bailable offences. The bailable offences are offences which mentioned in first schedule as bailable offence, and non-bailable offences are offences which mentioned in the first schedule as non-bailable offence. So again I am saying that you have to see the schedule. Just have a look of the schedule, first schedule of CRPC. So let's come on bailable offence, non-bailable offence. Section 2A deals with the definition, and in case of bailable offence, bail is the right of the accused person. And in case of non-bailable offences, acceptance of the bail is the rule and rejection of bail is the exception. So the court is bound to enlarge the accused on bail in case of bailable offences, and in case of non-bailable offences, it is the discretion of the court to give bail in non-bailable offences. And in bailable offences, the accused can get bail from the court or from the concerned PS maybe where the case is instituted by furnishing bond. And in case of non-bailable offences, the accused must approach before the court for getting bail. And section 436 of CRPC deals with the provision of bail in case of bailable offences. Bail is the right of the accused in case of bailable offences. You can see the section 436 of CRPC which deals with the provision of bail in bailable offences. And section 437, 438 and 439 of CRPC deals with the provision of bail in case of non-bailable offences. And some example of bailable offences are like 304A or 323, 354A, 323, etc. All the sections of IPC. And in case of non-bailable offences, section 302 murder, section 307 attempt to murder, section 304B dowry death, section 326 voluntarily causing hurt by dangerous weapon, grievous hurt, or section 354, 366 kidnapping of a woman to compel her marry. All the sections are non-bailable offences. So friends, before studying CRPC or IPC, we have to know the definition of bailable offense, non-bailable offense, and others. So in our next video, we'll come with some other definitions like cognizable offense, non-cognizable offense, or some different types of trial. So friends, stay connected with us and press the bell icon and subscribe our channel for getting more updates. And during COVID-19 situation, stay at home, stay safe, and keep social distancing for break the transmission of the disease. Stay safe. सबको नमस्कार friends. We'll come soon with our next video.